business owners and entrepreneurs, are you using your Google My Business review link? Where to find it and how to use it. Making it easy for people to review us on Google is very important. And Google has made it easy for us by giving us a link to share with others to send them exactly to the place to leave a review. Now you find this in your Google My Business console off the main screen, and then you look for this get more reviews, and then when you click on the share review form, you'll get this link. Copy this and save this link to share, right? So what do you do with it? Well, almost everywhere, right? You can send it in an email to people, a text. Be creative ways to share this thing, right? I'm sure I haven't thought of some. Look, this is Greg with Online Local Video, and we're always happy to share what we know. Get your free guide.